Tiara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today's soap is a last holiday soap. I swear. I couldn't help myself when I had that leftover green batter from my Deck the Hall soap last month. I poured them into some donut molds and I wanted to bring back the little holiday wreaths that I had done last year. Very, very small batch. I think they'd only made like 9 donuts. And of course I want to switch things up a little bit, but I love that design so much that I thought I would try it again. So instead of just having the little wreaths that I did last year that looked like this but were decorated, I want to put them on top of a base so that they're a little bit bigger. And so what I'm going to do is whip up some of my soap here and pour them into some silicone cupcake liners and top them with the donuts. So I'm going to combine my lye solution into my oils. I have just added some titanium dioxide in there that's been dispersed in water. I want to keep these a white base. I'm thinking they'll pop out more if I do that. And I added some Blizzard mica by my Mica Obsession. So let's give that a buzz. So yeah, totally did not plan the soap, which means the fragrance is just one of those fragrances that I had laying around. Seems to be the theme of the month. Starting fresh for the new year and just trying to empty my shelves of random things, but it is an apple, balsam, and pine, a unique blend of juicy apple, cassis, jasmine, and Siberian fir that is from Wholesale Supplies Plus or Crafter's Choice. It does discolor a little bit. Might get a little bit of a light yellow in there, but again, it'll still make the wreath pop. I'm not going to be too upset if it doesn't go back to white. I just didn't want the top to blend into the bottom. So I'm going to hand stir that in and I'm going to pour them into these like little cupcake silicone liners and then top each one with the donut. Now the fun part, to decorate these and make them actually look like little wreaths. I have some green, I think it's Enchanted Forest by Mad Micas in a pastry bag with a little closed star tip. And I'm just going to go around and make little dollops, maybe about 2 rows, to look like, I don't know, pine needles or pine leaves or Christmas wreaths. And then I have some red soap dough balls, gold and white. And these were just like white pieces of soap dough that I rolled up and then rolled them in some mica. And then I have some sugar sprinkles that are like holly leaves and berries. Last year, this is causing me some trouble here. Doesn't want to come down the button bag. Last year I decorated them with some pink peppercorn berries, and as much as I like those, I'm finding that they are a pain in the butt because they make such a mess. That's nice. I love how these turned out. Super cute. And it was just one of those spur of the moment designs that I didn't plan on doing. And I just love how it all came together. I'm already thinking about different ideas for next year and how I want to design the next ones. If you are interested in buying one of these, they will be available on December 18th. If you're curious what I did with that extra base of leftover soap that I had, this is what I did with it. I didn't have a donut to go on top of it, and it just made this little base, but I just piped a little wreath on there. So if you wanted to do these without the donut mold, or if you wanted to make real cupcakes with them, you totally could still make something that looks and resembles a wreath. That I will probably throw in someone's stocking for the Christmas gift giving with the family and friends, so someone will get that one. But these guys will be available in the shop on December 18th. Very limited edition, as you can see. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. New to the channel and you haven't done so yet, don't forget to subscribe and join me for more soap making adventures. Ring my bell if you want to be notified of future video uploads. Questions or comments, leave them for me in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you guys have a very nice day, and I will smell you later.